Updating your email address on Deezer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Deezer website or open the app and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email settings. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to personal information or email settings. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will see your current email address displayed. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Confirm button. Click it to update your email address. You may need to verify the change through a confirmation email sent to your new address. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Deezer will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to finalize the process.